Get ready to immerse yourself in nature. This 5 minutes meditation will help you let go of all stress. Move your phone around to explore, or you can simply close your eyes. Make yourself comfortable. Take a moment to breathe. Let everything else go. Breathe deeply in through the nose and breathe out through your mouth. Breathe in and out. Imagine yourself by the beach, watching the waves hug the shore and then roll back to the sea. Feel your breath naturally moving through your body. Just like the waves, your breath is flowing. It expands with the inhale and let go, relax with the exhale. Don't try to force it, just let it flow as it is. Perhaps you're feeling your breath in your belly, with a gentle rise with the inhale and a gentle release with the exhale. Feeling the breath as a wave throughout your body, moves up when you inhale and goes down when you exhale. Take another deep breath in, deep breath out. Notice within yourself, is your mind more quiet? Is your breath more smooth? Do you feel refreshed, relaxed? Now you're ready to take on the rest of your day. Imagine if you did this every single day. Subscribe if you want to feel like this again.